Hey guys, so I know I haven't made videos in a long time, but I've been really busy with work and school and trying to get my apartment and things. So, um, anyway, I went to Walmart, and we have this like clearance thing at our Walmart, and they had these for $10 when they're originally 20, and they have the two fires and 4 bottles. They have the two bigger ones and two small ones. So that's those, guys. And then, like, so if you have those at your Walmart, check that out. And then I got these in the mail. Pretty excited. So I don't have to go buy any. I got 4 in the mail. With these, like, coupon things, but I don't want to show my last name. But they're, like, the little coupon things that have, So, yeah. That's my little haul for you guys.